So here I'm going to do ruffles on a circle, like how would you do ruffles on top of a cake. Okay, so I thought let's make it a bit more interesting as well here. So I have the ruffle nozzle fitted in a regular piping bag. I'm just not using the coupler because it could get difficult to position the sides of the nozzle. Now the narrow end that is here, I just want the narrow end to be in line with this edge of the piping bag. We are just going to do a dual tone, or just the tip, it's like a dual color. The tip of the ruffle is going to have a different color, and the rest of the ruffle is all going to be in another color, which is going to be the major color of the ruffle. So the tip is going to look like a border. Okay, so this pointy tip in alignment with the edge of the piping bag. And then I have white color, this is going to be the border, and I fitted this with round nozzle, which I'm just going to pipe in through the piping bag on the edge. And then there is the green buttercream, which is just cut open, which I'm going to squish in and then fill the piping bag from the inside. So the white is going to be on the edge, and then the green is going to be on the rest of the piping bag. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to fold this completely. Okay. So on this edge, which is the narrow side of the nozzle, on that edge I'm just going to pipe the white buttercream. So this I'm just going to insert in as much, okay, and start squeezing the white buttercream on the edge. Okay, so you could see the white is piped here on the edge. It's going to see through. Okay, so the white is done, and then I'm just going to insert the green piping bag inside. Just want to remove any bigger air bubbles. So now it's all tightly packed except for a few air bubbles in here. Okay, so I'm just going to get the round template, and it's also easier for me to have a turntable. I'm just going to get up and then do. So the broader end facing down, and the white part piped is just on the top, which means the narrow end is also facing the top. I'm just going to start with on the outside. Keep turning the turntable. Not too much movement, with just how much slower it is just going to go. So you can see the tip of the ruffle is starting to show the white buttercream that was piped in. So the hand is just in the same place, and my left hand is rotating the turntable, and that is all you need to do. These are the white that is just caught up is not too much. In few places they are there. If you would like to have the dual tone quite a bit more prominent than what you see in this, then you could add in that white with a little more extra buttercream on that edge, but the technique will remain the same. And but you will do the two tone as part of your lesson, and you will have the tip or little more in the tip as well, like more piping of the other color, the second color on the narrow side of the piping nozzle, and then you will make the two-tone ruffle on a round template like this. And with this we've come to the end of piping ruffles on the circle, and catch you up in the next piping practice lesson.